Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this section, we are going to give you an information on reports on the dynamic report. For that, you have to come up to the side menu, click on the report drop down and select dynamic from there. You are landed to a specific screen here where you can see that the report can be available as per your customized column. So basically this is the customized report available to you. You can select and deselect the columns from here, and you can even have this exported as CSV to a specific email address. For example, we are going to select the name, the email ID, the shift hours and just the total number of tasks worked. Once you click on this, you can also have the data selected by the department team and by specific member also. You can have the data selected for the specific date range from here, and once you click on export as CSV, the report is going to give you via an email. It is going to be a CSV format. You can click on select all to have select all of the features here, and then you can even click on the export as CSV button to have it receive in your email. This was about the customized report. Thank you.